The perfect centerpiece for any occasion? These are herb-marinated lamb chops with grilled vegetables. Step 1. Let's marinate our lamb. Finely chop the rosemary, mint, and thyme, and in a small bowl, mix them together with olive oil, lemon juice, lemon zest, salt, and cumin. Rub both sides of the chops with the marinade, then let them sit in the refrigerator for at least an hour. While that's happening, let's prepare our mint yogurt and veggies. With your yogurt in a bowl, add garlic, chopped mint, lemon, sugar, salt, pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. Once it's all in there, whisk or stir everything together. If you like, you can refrigerate the mint yogurt until you're ready to use it. For the vegetables, start by bringing your potatoes to a boil in a large pot of salted water. Then, simmer them at a medium heat for 10 minutes. Once that's done, remove them, keeping the water you've used, and when they're cool enough, cut them in half and set them aside. Trim the ends off of the beans. Then add them and the carrots to the simmering water and cook over a medium heat for about 7 minutes before draining and putting to one side. Last but not least, cut your peppers in half lengthwise. Remove the seeds, then cut in half lengthwise again. With the prep out of the way, it's time to get cooking. We recommend removing your lamb from the refrigerator about half an hour before you plan to cook it, and let it rest at room temperature. Fire up your Ooni pizza oven and preheat it about 300 degrees Celsius or 575 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use your Ooni infrared thermometer to quickly and accurately check the temperature of the stone. When the oven is up to temp, brush your dual-sided grizzler with oil, then place it in the oven to heat up. Let the dual-sided grizzler get nice and hot. Then remove it from the oven and spread the potatoes, carrots, beans, and peppers on top. Get everything back into the oven and bake the vegetable medley for about 15 to 20 minutes, turning carefully every 5 minutes. Once cooked, remove the vegetables from the oven and place them on a large serving dish and season to taste with salt and pepper. With the veggies done, place the lamb chops on the dual-sided grizzler and grill them for 2 to 3 minutes aside for medium rare, 3 to 4 minutes aside for medium, and 5 minutes per side for well done, depending on your preferences. Place the lamb chops on top of the grilled vegetables and serve them with your mint yogurt dip and enjoy.